Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are highlighting what is new for 2023 when it comes to resources, when it comes to making things a little bit easier for you guys, and it has to do with the installation process of all our fuel management systems. That include our Wonderbox, which is our single hose product, our Superbox 2-hose and 5-hose application, our M1 dual-sided dispensers, and also our HDM Echo 80s and HDM Echo Def dispensers, which serve a great purpose for brand new startups. So what is this about? So essentially is when you order from now on your fuel management system, when you open the box, every one of those will come with a sticker that says stop. Stop and call in advance to set up your installation. Why are we doing this? We're doing this because, number one, we want to be there a little deeper with you and give you really the time that you need to get everything set up and making sure that, you know, your customer's up and running the proper way, okay? Number two is we want to ensure reliability of the system, not just for that day, not just for that, you know, startup, but also long term to make sure that we've done the correct wiring, make sure the meters are pulsing out correctly and they're calibrated. And number three is to make sure that the personnel that will be using the systems is 100% comfortable and knowledgeable as to how to set up your driver's vehicles and obviously pull all the reporting. So all these functions are brand new for 2023. And so the easier thing to do is for you to head on to the website. On the home page at the bottom, you'll see essentially where you can, you know, log into a calendar, pick a time and a date, depending on what's available that day, that week, that month, and select and secure your spot. That way we can give you our time for you guys to get on the phone with us and help out with this installation. But moving forward, we want to be there formally at every step of the way. We want to be helping you guys do these installations, and we also want to, you know, polish and train those of you guys who have gone through, you know, basically the training class and get up to date as to what's going on. So those two things can be found on the home page, and it can also be found under the resources tab. So go ahead and schedule your setup beforehand so that we can help out and everybody can walk away feeling comfortable as to what they're doing and representing the brand, which is Tek-Calumet, through some of these fuel management products. That's it for now, and I will keep you updated to some of the latest and greatest firmware and new things and things that we've done within the software that are also valuable and will add a lot more you know, happiness to using some of this system. So that's it for now. You guys take care, and I'll catch you guys at the next video.